Yeah, so my first experience with the Code de Conduite program was a case going for the Régie des Logements, and the family hadn't had heat in their apartment for several years. And they went through several steps, contacting the city inspector, but finally they got an appearance before the Régie des Logements, and they were very nervous. And it was to get damages and a reduction of rent for the time that they did not have heat in their apartment. And so when we first met, I kind of just got a feel for the case at hand, and I asked them to formulate their everything that they were thinking of and that they were speaking on a piece of paper with points. Later we met and we went over this piece of paper, we wrote it up, and this served as basically their arguments when we went into court, or administrative court. The room, and I identified myself to the judge, or the justice, or I'm not sure how you refer to him, but I identified myself as a McGill student, and he seemed quite positive, and he even when discussing the matter in front of everyone, he explained to me, or he explained to the court that they would have a more reasonable perspective of things, that they were that afterwards that because they were speaking to me, a law student, which I'm not sure was the case. Something that I wish I'd known in advance, and that you should be aware of, is that they will try to get the two sides to reconcile over the matter beforehand. And most of the time this doesn't happen, especially if it's a rental board case and it's a big corporation versus a family. But still, you should advise the family that if they are interested in a basic minimum, to get the case out of the way, that they should pick that. Because in our case, we ended up presenting for an hour, and then it was adjourned, and then we have a future case which hasn't been scheduled yet.